Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard Deals. Achieve quantifiable results and boost your business bottom line by eliminating fraudulent clicks, improving lead quality, and maximizing your conversions. Proven results across industries. Our platform leverages data from millions of clicks processed with ClickGuard customers, allowing us to track shifts in fraud tactics and anomalies across various verticals. From luxury fashion houses to online travel agencies, we build industry-specific models to ensure optimal performance for all merchants. ClickGuard Compare Plans. ActiveGUARD. A suite of tools designed for small businesses getting repetitive fraudulent or low-value paid traffic from Google Ads campaigns. PremiumGUARD. A perfect combination of protection and optimization tools for all businesses looking to beat competition and maximize their ROAS. EliteGUARD. Unmatched value for businesses seeking to scale their ROAS and sales 10x. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.